Hi, I'm Danielle Spring. I've been an RN for 20 years and I've worked here at Wood County Hospital. It'll be 21 years in August. I've worked as a staff nurse. I've worked as a unit supervisor, charge nurse. I work with our EMR system, and I recently transitioned to the Director of Nursing Education and CPR training. I attended Northwest State in the 90s, and I started originally just taking classes. I had gone to another university previous to that and really wasn't sure what I wanted to do, so I came back home and I took some different classes out at Northwest State, even an economics class, just trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And then I decided that my family had been right all along and I needed to go into nursing, and so I transitioned into the nursing program, and I graduated in '98 from the nursing program. My career has changed a little bit since I've been here at Wood County Hospital. I started as a staff nurse. I transitioned into more of a leadership role and threw in some informatics type of responsibilities along the way. About 9 years ago, I started with some of that, and so I help our inpatient staff to navigate and learn how to use our electronic health record. And I do all of the training for new employees coming in that are in the inpatient setting when it comes to our EHR. And that is a rewarding experience for me. I am somebody who is very much interested in making sure we have good workflows, that our staff are supported by the tools and the technology that we have. And so that has been an opportunity for me to be able to support our staff while they give patient care. Certainly technology can be a wonderful thing, but not when clinicians are working for the technology. It should always be the other way around. And so that is part of my role that I continue to do, even since transitioning to the Director of Nursing Education and CPR training role that I'm in now. And so part of what I do now is to help with the transition program for our new grads that come in and start their nursing careers here. That's really a rewarding experience as well, when you can take somebody who is very new to the profession and they're very eager to learn, and you can help them to grow as a professional here at Wood County Hospital. So that's been a really good part of this job that I'm in now. I'm also responsible for our Talon program, which is our preceptor program. So our experienced nurses who want to help with that transition process for our oncoming employees, they go through a training process as well, and so I'm responsible for that along with our nurse educators. So it's kind of a fun program to do with experienced staff. They can talk about their experiences as we explore and develop how they are going to be good mentors and coaches for onboarding staff. The Distinguished Alumni Award, I was very surprised, first of all, to be nominated, and actually it was my mother who nominated me. And so, I submitted all of the things that were required, and when I got the phone call that I was selected, it was a very humbling moment. I certainly don't think of myself as being distinguished. I am very involved in my community and different activities here at work that I just consider part of life. And with having 4 children and a husband, there's lots of opportunities to be involved. And so I'm grateful for the recognition and very humbled by it.